Hey, this is Don Pryor, and I am the founder of Network Services Group and the co-founder of Michigan SEO Group. So right now, as we're in the middle of this COVID-19 virus outbreak, one of the things that we keep hearing is about flattening the curve or getting ahead of the curve. And that not only applies to this particular situation, but I think it applies to a great many things. A lot of people found themselves way behind the curve. It's like all of a sudden the government says, hey, you guys got to shut down all non-essential businesses, close your doors. People need to be able to work from home. And they weren't set up to allow people to work from home. So now they're scrambling, right? Can we get any laptop computers for our employees to take home? Well, the answer is no, because there aren't any, right? Where do they come from? They come from China. And so, our distributors don't have any stock. Now, that's going to change over the coming weeks, but if you didn't have stuff available to you when you needed it, you found yourself behind the curve. Another way that some of our customers found themselves behind the curve is that they didn't plan for the ability for a lot of their staff to work remotely, and now they're scrambling to catch up. Now the good news is we're here for them, and we're getting a lot of requests to help people set up so that they can work remotely, whether it's through a VPN or remote desktop or terminal server, or helping them sign up for some kind of a cloud service. We can kind of figure out what's going to work best, but everyone's scrambling to get this done, and it could have been a little bit smoother if people had planned ahead and got a little bit ahead of the curve. It's like, we know that someday people are going to need to work from home, so let's figure that out now before we need it. Let's get a couple extra computers now before we need it. Let's make sure that we have the communication in place, that when something like this happens, that we have an email list that we can send out notices to, and what our policies are, and we can update our website and our social media and not have to scramble, right? We have a team that does that for us, because that's kind of what we do at Michigan SEO Group. We help our clients with their internet presence and getting the word out and things like that. So, don't wait until you're out of toilet paper before you go and try to order some, because then you find yourself in the middle of a situation like this where there isn't any. So just a little reminder that it's always best to be prepared, be a little bit ahead of the curve. We're certainly here to help you with whatever you need. So whether you're scrambling to catch up or you're just trying to get ahead, let us know. Network Services Group, we're going to help make your experience with technology positive and productive. And at Michigan SEO Group, we're going to help you thrive online, get the message out about the products and services that you offer, and hopefully get you some more business. So any questions, reach out, let us know. We'd be happy to help, and hope everything is safe and well with you, your families, and your team.